My name is Justin. I'm from Kenya. I've come to Zika factory to have a look at the machine. Earlier before, as a company, we've been hesitant to get machine from them, but this visit has really paid off because we've noticed the machines are of high quality and the technical support that you can get from the company is a very good technical support. Yeah. So I think as a company, or as a starting company, or a company that needs to change and have upgrade of the machines, I think you should consider Zika machines to be your new equipment in your factories, because the machine of high quality. The welding is in top notch. The spray paint is top notch, and the finished product actually is nice. As you can see, it's a very smooth, doesn't have any bearing at the edge, so it's a very good machine. I recommend this machine.